जब अंधेरे में हमने उम्मीद की लौ जलाना सीखा है, रफ्तार से आगे बढ़कर अपनों को जिताना सीखा है, तो अब थम कर भी एक दूसरे के संग हर जंग जीतेंगे हम।
Hi friends. Almost all the countries have been impacted due to the novel coronavirus, that is COVID-19, and it can be stopped altogether. So let's support our nation from such threat. Also, appreciate the efforts of the people who are providing the essential services during such situation. Jai Hind.
Hello all, I hope you all are doing great. I know this is the challenging time, not for you but for everyone else. But this is not the time that you should think about or you should get fear of. But biggest question at this moment you should ask yourself is how you can contribute to this challenge. And the simple solution is you can contribute is by working along with following some basic precautions.
Let's not give preference to our tasty bird that is having a junk food outside. Instead of that, we can have a homemade or an organic food. This will definitely boost our immunity. Thank you.
Don't go outside. Avoid public places as much as possible.
If you live in an area with a malaria or a dengue fever, it is important that you should not ignore the symptoms of the fever. Please seek for immediate medical help. Stay safe, stay happy.
Avoid the junk foods, instead try for the healthy foods.
You can break the chain by staying at home. Your one step towards corona fight will make a strong impact. Stay home, stay safe.
Share positive news and acts of kindness with your community.
Share what you have learned about preventing the disease with friends, families, and younger children. Be safe.
Let's maintain a good habit of personal hygiene as well as workplace hygiene.
Dry your hands with a clean cloth or towel. Single usage of this is better for our hygiene. In public places, try to use disposable tissue papers or hand dryers as per the availabilities. Stay safe, stay alert.
Don't share cups, eating utensils, food or drink with others.
In this COVID-19 pandemic, our responsibility is to protect our family, friends and our community as well. If anyone feels sick, please ask them not to go out, stay at home and stay safe.
Ensure that safe drinking water is available and toilets or latrines are clean and available at home.
Stay at home, stay healthy and stay safe.
Don't trust on fake messages, don't believe on fake news. Stay safe, be positive.
Maintain at least 1 meter distance between yourself and others.
This is especially important if you are standing by someone who is coughing or sneezing.
Increase airflow and ventilation where climate allows. Open windows. Use air conditioning where available.
Ensure that the trash is removed daily and disposed of safely. Thank you and take care.
If not well, then consult with medical authority. Do not be a self-doctor.
Remember not to touch your face.
Don't stigmatize your peers or tease anyone about being sick.
Sneezing and coughing. Use a tissue or else you can use elbow, and do not touch your face, mouth, nose and eyes.
During this COVID-19 crisis, I would request you all to spend dedicated time daily on exercising. You can choose any exercise depending on your preferences and your body type. Since corona directly affects the human lungs, exercises like swimming, running, jogging would be much more beneficial. However, if you cannot do that much of physical activity, you can always opt breathing exercises. But make sure that you do exercise daily.
Take necessary actions against dry cough, fever and throat problem. For more information, download Arogya Setu app.